So here we are at the whiteboard, and we are going to take a closer look at transposing instruments. Now for this video, we're just going to focus on the B-flat trumpet. Now what you see here on the whiteboard could be very similar to what you have to do on your level 8 RCM exam. Now the steps we are going to take to transpose this melody that's in concert pitch into written pitch for the B-flat trumpet are as follows. First, we're going to figure out the new key. Then we are going to move all the notes, and then we are going to adjust for any accidentals. These are the same transposition rules you learned in previous grades. So first, the skill testing question. What is the new key? Now back at the piano, we learned that the B-flat trumpet operates a major second higher than the rest of the world. Okay? So if the entire orchestra is playing in one key, the B-flat trumpet will be playing in a key higher. Now here the melody says concert pitch above it. So this is what the orchestra is playing. We're in E-flat minor today. So the B-flat trumpet, in order to play these notes, has to play those notes in a key that's one major second higher. So the question is, what key is a major second higher than this E-flat minor key signature? A major second above E-flat is F. So we must be in F minor, not F major, right? The major and minor, the quality of the melody stays the same. So the new key is F minor, and we can go ahead and write our new key signature. Has the same key signature as A-flat major. That's step one, and I'll write my time signature while I'm here. Now we have to move all the notes up a second. So let's go ahead and do that. We will make sure that our bar lines are lined up so we don't get lost. That E up a second to the space, up a second to the space, up a second to the space. And then we have this A would move to this line, the note on that line would move to this space, and now we have a note on a space goes up to a line, note on a line goes up to a space, and the note on this line goes up to this space. And now we are going to draw our beams and stems. For this first group, the farthest note away from the middle line is this F. So the stems are going to point up, just like in the original question. And remember, you want your stems to be approximately an octave long, and your beam angle should be no greater than a third. Now this group of three, the note that is farthest away from the middle line is this A, so we are still going to have stems pointed up. And here, again, stems pointed up. So the beams and stems didn't really change for this question. Okay, we moved all the notes, and I'm going to add in the articulations too. The slurs and staccatos. And the last step is to check for accidentals. Now there was one accidental in the original melody. This A flat turned into an A natural. So the normally this should have been an A flat in the key of E flat minor, but here it's been raised by one semitone. So A flat is the fourth note of E flat major. Let's look down here. B flat is the fourth note of F minor. So likewise, we have to raise it by one semitone, and in this case we also get to use a natural to raise it by one semitone. So there we have it. We found the new key, we moved all the notes, and then we checked for accidentals. This is written pitch, this is concert pitch. So even though everybody else in the concert will be playing an E flat minor, if you take this line of music and hand it to the B flat trumpet player, when he reads it, his instrument will play these notes. Even though he's reading these notes, it will come out a major second lower for concert pitch. But in this case, we had to move a major second up. So again, being able to go back and forth really quickly is important. The key to success in completing these questions is to know whether you're going up or down. Anybody can remember that a French horn transposes a perfect fifth, and anybody can remember that a B-flat clarinet transposes a major second. But it takes confidence to remember whether you're going up in a circumstance or going down in a particular circumstance. So if you're given concert pitch, you will be transposing up to the written pitch. And if you are given written pitch, you will be transposing down to the concert pitch. If you want to practice this really intensely, I've made a really good worksheet on my website, classicalcontext.ca. You can go to the level 8 page and click on Transposing Instruments, and you'll get a free PDF worksheet. And you can transpose a single line multiple times for all the different instruments and see how different each one of them looks.